The Confessions of Sherlock Holmes, Book 2, The Journey to India, from the Journal of Sherlock Holmes, May 14th, 1891, the Mediterranean Sea. The ship was held for a few days for provisioning, which was all as well for me. It gave me time to obtain the mountaineering equipment from Bermago, which it was as well to purchase now. While awaiting for these deliveries, I have had time to enjoy the truly astonishing local cuisine. Each night I am to be found in a local trattoria with a crisp bottle of white Genoese wine, some of the oven-scarred round breads, and delicious shrimp pasta. My thinness is being much supplemented by such delights, and begins to take on some of the contours of my erstwhile aide-de-camp, Watson. When at last we departed from the roadstead, and I felt the sea take the vessel, there came over me a sense of the most marvelous freedom. The smell of tar and canvas mingled with the pungent smells of shore life. The many tuberous life forms made an undersea garden that slid from under us as the boat left the granite shores to seek the deeper waters. I stood and watched as the marvelous stone city slipped away in our lee. A strong easterly had caught us and would soon take us by the Corsican Isles. A journey of many weeks lies ahead. The forced inaction might tend to grow oppressive, but I shall use this journal to elaborate those theories that will be tested in the coming months and years.